Hello everyone, welcome to Technical Powerhouse. In this video, we will learn how we can create a virtual machine on Google Cloud Platform. In my previous tutorial, I have shown you how you can create a free account on Google Cloud Platform, which will give you a free $300 credit, which is valid for 1 year. I'm using the same account for this video tutorial. I have logged into the Google Cloud Platform using the same account. From the home page, click on the left-hand side navigation menu and go to Compute Engine page. Once you reach up the Compute Engine page, select VM instances from the left-hand side options and then click on the Create button to create a new virtual machine. Here we can provide the name and labels to that virtual machine, and then we can choose the region and zone for that virtual machines. When we are going to provide various values for various configurations of this virtual machine, Google is going to provide me an estimation cost for running this virtual machine on a monthly basis. Right now with the default value, it says that it is going to cost me $24 a month for running this virtual machine. It is going to consume this value from the trial credit that has been provided to me. As I'm sitting in United Kingdom, it is showing me £242 instead of $300. Picking up the first four values is not going to have an impact on the cost. Let's move on to the next sections. Here we can choose a machine family. Google has defined three machine families based on the use of the machines. That is the general purpose machines, which can be used for general purpose operations. It has like little number of virtual CPUs and a standard amount of RAM allocated to those machines. Then we have the memory optimized family, where the number of virtual CPU is very big, like 96, and the RAM is also huge, like 1.4 terabytes. And then we have the third option, compute optimized, which lies in between the general purpose and memory optimized category. It has virtual CPUs like 4 and RAM to be 16 gigabytes. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be picking up the general purpose machine family. Then we are going to choose a series of machines out of these. A series is a classification of machines based on the CPU platform. In E2, we can choose a particular platform. N2 is the series which is powered by Intel Cascade Lake CPU platform. N2D is the uh, machine series which is powered by AMD processors. For this tutorial, we are going to pick up the E2 one. Then we have to choose the machine type. We have various machine categories available here. Micro machines, which are having two virtual CPUs, 1 gigabytes of memory. Small, having 2 gigabytes of RAM, same number of virtual CPUs. Medium one, having two virtual CPUs and 4 gigabytes of memory. We have few more options available here. The standard options, which have more number of CPUs and memories. You can choose any of these based on your requirement. I'm going to go with the default option, that is E2 Medium, which is having two virtual CPUs and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Moving on to the next section, we have to choose a boot disk and an operating system image. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be picking up like 20 gigabytes of disk or maybe 30 gigabytes of disk. We can provide that value here and we can choose an operating system from here. Uh, we have multiple options available here: Debian, Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, Ubuntu, Windows Server. But we are picking up the default values here because this is just a standard tutorial to show you how you can create a virtual machine on Google Cloud Platform. Let's click on select. Then if you want to add firewalls to your virtual machine, you can choose them from these options. And finally, you can click on create to start creating that virtual machine. But before we go ahead, let's have a look at the cost. Let's click on the details here, and we can see that when we have chosen the E2 uh, my medium size virtual machine template, it has put a cost of $24 a month. When we have picked up 30 gigabytes of storage for that virtual machine, it has put an additional cost of $1.2 a month, which turns out to be $25.66 a month in total. Let's click on create. Now Google has initiated creation of this virtual machine at the backend, which can be noticed from here. Okay, the machine is ready and the instance is turned on. That means it is powered on and we can start logging into it. It gives me this zone in which this virtual machine is hosted. What is the internal IP address for this virtual machine? What is the external IP address and how we can connect to it? Let's click on uh, let's open a SSH session for this machine. Let's click on open in browser window, and it is going to open up this session to my virtual machine, the SSH session. It is going to take a while to connect to that virtual machine using the SSH secure shell session. And there we go. Now we are logged into our virtual machine. Let's uh, fire a command on this virtual machine. Host name. Oops, my bad. Okay, it says the name of the virtual machine is instance 1. Let's see what is the date. That says Sunday, August 16, and then the time UTC. Yeah, so you can start playing with this virtual machine. That's it for this tutorial. This is how you can create a free virtual machine on Google Cloud Platform. Stay tuned to Technical Powerhouse for more videos on various cloud platforms. Thank you very much.